Have you ever imagined that you can get millions of views on YouTube and earn thousands of dollars per month? I will guide you step by step so that you can achieve this goal like me and thousands of others. When I published the first video on my YouTube channel, I never imagined that in just 7 days I would experience such incredible growth from I started zero, with no background or experience in the YouTube world. But with persistence and the right strategies, I achieved results that were beyond my imagination. Step-by-step guide to YouTube success content is king. The first and most important step is to choose content that will attract your audience. Your content should not only be interesting, but should also provide added value to the viewers. This value can be educational, entertaining, or inspirational. A thumbnail is the first thing your audience sees in your video. You should use attractive and eye-catching images that will make the audience click on your video. Using relevant and attractive titles and images can dramatically increase your click-through rate. Finally, success on YouTube depends on patience, persistence, and using the right strategies. Get on YouTube, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Now we will also check some successful channels so that you can benefit from their experiences. This article will help you grow quickly on YouTube and succeed in reviewing successful channels. The secret to success: delivering quality, inspirational images and videos that inspire a sense of adventure in your audience. Now that you've learned about some successful channels, let's dive into the step-by-step tutorial on how to get millions of views and thousands of subscribers. In the first step to make a successful video, we need a professional article and script. This article and script should be written in such a way that it not only provides useful information to the audience, but also is attractive and understandable. For this, we can take help of artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT. Using ChatGPT to write articles and scripts. ChatGPT is one of the advanced artificial intelligence tools that can help you write attractive and professional articles and scripts. Using this tool, you can easily explore different ideas and topics and produce the content you want, with high quality. The first step in using ChatGPT is choosing the right topic for your video. You should choose a topic that is interesting and useful for your audience. For example, if your channel is about technology, you can choose a topic like reviewing the latest gadgets. In order for your videos to be more attractive and effective, you need quality and relevant images and photos. Images can help the audience to better understand the concept of the video and increase its visual appeal. One of the great sites for finding quality images is Lexica. Use Lexica to find great photos. Lexica is an image search engine that can help you find quality images related to your video topic. Here are the steps to use Lexica to find interesting photos. To find images related to your video topic, copy the title of the script that ChatGPT wrote for you. For example, if the topic of your video is everyday life tricks, you can enter the title of the script or related keywords in Lexica's search bar. Download high-quality images. After searching, Lexica will show you a collection of related images. You can choose the images you want and download them. High-quality images can have a great impact on the appeal of your video. Using attractive and high-quality images can dramatically increase the appeal of your videos. Using the Lexica site, you can easily find and download the images you need. After creating your article and script with the help of ChatGPT and searching for related images in Lexica, you are ready to produce a high-quality video that will attract a large audience. After preparing the article and script and downloading attractive images, now it's time to choose the speaker's voice for the video. The speaker's voice can have a huge impact on the appeal and professionalism of your videos. One of the best tools for choosing a speaker's voice is the 11 Labs site. Using the 11 Labs site to select the speaker's voice, 11 Labs is an advanced platform that allows you to choose the right narrator voice for your videos. Here are the steps to use 11 Labs to select a speaker voice. The fourth step is to edit the video and upload it to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Now that the article, script, images, and speaker's voice are ready, it's time to edit the video. Video editing is a very important part of the video content production process, as it is at this stage that all the components of your video come together to create a professional and attractive final product. Using CapCut for video editing, I use CapCut to edit my videos, which is a powerful and user-friendly video editing tool. CapCut is available for PC and mobile, so you can use the PC or mobile version depending on your preference. Download and install. CapCut first, you need to download and install the CapCut app. This app is free and you can download it from app stores or CapCut official website. After installing the app, import your files including videos, images, and voiceover into CapCut. This allows you to have all the components of your video in one place and easily edit them. Place your files in the desired order in the CapCut timeline. You can combine videos, images, and narrator's voice to create a seamless and attractive video. To increase the appeal of the video, you can use CapCut's various effects and transitions. These effects can add a beautiful and professional visual effect to your video. Add a narrator's voice to your video and make sure the narrator's voice matches the video's visuals. You can also add background music or other sound effects to your video to make it more interesting. After making the necessary adjustments, preview your video to make sure everything is just right and to your liking. At this point, you can make any final changes. Once you're happy with your video, export it in high quality. CapCut has several options for export settings that allow you to export your video in the best possible quality. Upload video to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Now that your video is ready, you can upload it to various social media platforms. Here's how to upload a video to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Log into your YouTube account, click the Upload button, and select your video. Enter the appropriate title, description, and tags for your video. Check privacy settings and other options. Upload the video and wait for the upload and processing process to complete. Log in to your TikTok account. Click the plus button and the video. Choose your add video settings, such as effects, music, and description. Log in to your Instagram account. Click the plus button and select your video. Add filters and other settings. Enter appropriate titles and hashtags. Log in to your Facebook account. Click the photo video button and choose your video. By following these steps, you can create professional and attractive videos that you upload to various social platforms and get millions of views and thousands of subscribers. I hope you enjoyed this article and look forward to my future interesting videos. Please like the videos and subscribe my channel to get latest videos.